Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I am excited because today I just got in my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of August, and I have some add-ons to go with it. So anyway, I'm excited to share these, and so let's just get to it and see what we got here. Okay, thank you friends for being here. I do appreciate your support, and you can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. So I just wanted to add that, and let's see what we got here. So the fall bag, it actually looks different in real than it did in the pictures. It's kind of a brown, and it's got a pink, orange, and a kind of a burgundy color in here. It's different. I don't know. The colors are a little bit strange to me, but I do love that they have a pink. I love the pink and the orange. That's what I like, the bright, fun colors. So anyway, it's got a different kind of pull that they normally have, but I like it. I really like that. So anyway, this is like, anyway, what we'll open. I do want to say, I just filmed my Fab Fit Fun, and that's why it's like 107 degrees outside, and I'm wearing a sweater. And I used my Xenon, my Natasha Denona Xenon palette. So anyway, just so I have kind of a grungy look, but that's my fall look. I'm pretending that it's not 100 degrees outside. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is, I think it was the thing I picked. I wasn't super excited about their picks, their choices for the Glam Bag, but I got, this is the Formula Z setting spray. So I'm hoping it's a good one. I could use a small one for travel, so I thought this might be good for that. So I am going to try it. Anyway, so there's that. The next thing I have in here is a Benefit product, which I love Benefit. And this is the Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer for Pores. So it's a moisturizer, and I love Benefit. So this is really cute little, this is just cute little tin. It might be a good thing for the purse. Oh, okay. Okay, it's kind of like a jelly, but I don't know. Anyway, it's a little bit thin. It doesn't look super thick, but that's kind of fun. So that's my second item. And then the next item I have here is this is Hey Honey, and this is a primer. Now, in the picture, it says Prime Matte Luminous Priming Base, but it's a red color, so I'm kind of curious about that. Okay, so I'm going to try a little bit. Oh, okay, it's a little bit lighter, more pinky. Doesn't, on the picture it looks kind of berry, but this one looks a little bit lighter. And let's see, it's probably a great primer for me. It feels really good on, but it kind of does have a little bit of a rosy tint to it, so I don't know, I like it. Actually really like that. Anyway, so I'm excited. Doesn't have much of a scent, but I'm excited about that. So the next thing I have in here is, this is from Beauty Creations. This is a Plump and Pout lip liner right there. Not sure what color it is. It's got kind of a brownish color on the top here, so I'm thinking that might be it. And if so, I'm kind of excited. It looks like a good color, or it looks kind of raisiny. That's the color I tend to really go for right now. So it's obviously a full-size product, so I like that. Might be the only full size I get this month. Now last month I think I had 4. It was unbelievable. Anyway, okay, it has a push kind of push pump. Push it up. Let's see if I can get, okay. I really like the color a lot. So I wonder, it's supposed to plump your pout. So anyway, I'm actually really excited about that. I'm so into lip liners right now. Anyway, so there's that. And then the last thing I have in here is from Goldfaden MD. This is an exfoliator, and whoops, let's see here. It says Dr. Scrub, Advanced Ruby Crystal Power Exfoliator. So I do like that. That's a good thing for travel, because I do like to exfoliate all the time. So it's nice to have one for travel. So Goldfaden MD is a great brand, so I'm not going to complain about that. And the last thing I have in here is the card. Look at that. So the month for the Glam Bag for the month of August, it says Get Golden. Let me see what it says here. Whether you're soaking up the last days of summer or easing back into a routine, this is your moment to explore what keeps you grounded and glowing, no matter what's ahead. So, or what's next. August 2025. So anyway, there it is. There's a sneak peek, some things that might be coming. Okay, so I got that. I got the silky hairspray, or not hairspray, setting spray. I got the Plump Beauty Creations lip liner. Super excited about that. The Goldfaden exfoliator. The Hey Honey primer. It's kind of a little pinkish tone. And the Porefessional. This is a moisturizer from Benefit. So real cute little metal containers. So anyway, that's it for the Glam Bag for the month of August. I'm not going to complain. I actually like all these items. I think I'll use them. So there's that. I did pick up some add-ons. I did do this in my Glam Bag. I didn't really do add-ons in my icon box. And so let's just get started here. Since I'm so into Mario right now, let's see. I got something from Mario. And this is Mario makeup. This is the Moisture Glow Pumping Lip Serum in Cinnamon Glow. I told you cinnamon is kind of one of my favorite little colors right now. This is what it looks like, and so it kind of matches, the outside matches the inside, and there we go. So just, anyway, you just pull it up, and so there's that. This is, it's a plumping lip serum, so I'm curious about it. So we'll see. I'm going to try that, and anyway, I'm excited to try it. Anything from Mario is exciting. So the next two things I have, I just had to get these. These were little kind of cheap, cheaper items, but let's see what they are here. They're Playdate Shimmer Multi-Use Cheek and Lip Color. And so I got one in like a pink color, and then I got one in kind of a bronzy golden color. And what's interesting is, I don't know if I can get these up. Let's see. I'm actually really excited about these, but it's going to take me a minute to open them. Okay, so I opened these up, and they've got a little flower on top, which is a different color. Can you see that? And this is the golden one. So I'm going to try this one's the pinkier one. And let's just see. I'm just curious. I think the colors mixed together. Okay, it's kind of an iridescent. I think you could use this on your eyes. I think that would be really pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. This one, we'll see, it's a bronzy with pink, so I don't know, but yeah, this is definitely, there you go. So it kind of, this one you can see a two-tone, this one not as much. Okay, these are really fun, you guys. I think these were $3. I'm really happy with them. They feel good. I don't know much about the brand, All 94. Haven't really heard of that brand, but no, it's AF 94. Playdate Shimmer Multi-Use Cheek and Lip Color in Oopsie Daisy and also Flower Power. So anyway, that was really exciting. Okay. Okay, so what else did I get in here? I got an item from Kofi, and this was something that was one of my choices, but I had something else in that category I really wanted, and then when I got to add-ons, I saw it in there, so I went ahead and picked it up. I do like Kofi, the brand. This is an African brand, and I really like their stuff. They do some different colors and different, anyway, I just like it. I like the packaging. Here's what it looks like. And so this is just a lip stain. And I'm going to try this right below. Okay. It is a dark brown, kind of burgundy color right here. Just above this one. This is my lip liner I got, and then this is the Kofi. I actually like this. This is a good size too. So I'm excited. I hope it has staying power. So anyway, I like that. And let's see what else I got in my little add-ons. I have 3 more items in here. Okay, I just picked this up because it was $3.50 and it was a full size. This is just an e.l.f. It's a lash. What was it about this that got me? Let me show you just a sec here. It's a lash extender, which I really kind of like those. And, you know, e.l.f. is just good. It's just good. Definitely for your lower end brand, it's a very good product for a good price. So okay, so here's what the wand looks like. There we go. And the last, oh, I have one more thing here. Well, I don't know what this is, and this is probably another $3.50 item. Oh, it's just a body mist. It says good chemistry. And it looks like it could be hair or body. Not that vanilla. Not that vanilla is what it's called. Mini body mist. It's really cute. It's a cute little bottle here. And let's see what it smells like. I already have smelly stuff on, but I like to layer. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. Oh my gosh, very good for layering. If I would have known, I would have gotten like 2 or 3 of these. These are wonderful. Oh, it smells really good. So anyway, that's it for my add-ons. So let's go through them real quick. The yummy, yummy, yummy body spray and good chemistry. I got the, oh, this, I didn't show this. This was a freebie that came with it. This is Gold Fat. It's a Radiance Whip from let's see, Gold Fat and MD, I believe. So there's that. And the e.l.f. mascara, the lengthening. These two, I love these. See what I got here? It's really fun stuff. And then the Kofi, the lip stain, which I'm excited about. And then the last thing I have here is the Mario. This was a plumping lip balm. So anyway, we'll see what that's all about. So there's that. So I'm happy. I'm happy with my Ipsy this month. I'm happy with the bag. I'm happy with all my add-ons. And so I love when they have good $3 or $3.50 add-ons, and this stuff right here is so fun. And what else did I get that was cheap? The spray. So it's worth it. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your support. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you get Ipsy? Do you get Glam Bag? What did you get? What do you like in my bag? Anyway, and thank you for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.